Looking for smart solutions for your tiny apartment or limited space? In this video, we're featuring 5 amazing Amazon gadgets that will make your small home more stylish, organized, and functional. From the Alome Y6 Plus portable dryer to the Collagen's folding wagon cart, discover the brilliant space-saving tools that can upgrade your everyday life.
Number 1.
Tired of waiting hours for clothes to dry? Small apartments and travel leave no room for bulky dryers. Wet socks, baby clothes, and delicates piling up everywhere. Introducing the Alome Y6 Plus portable clothes dryer. Fast 360-degree drying with powerful 850-watt airflow. No more damp clothes. Ultra compact. Folds to fit in your bag or small spaces. Multiple drying modes. Gentle for silk, powerful for cotton. Customizable timer and night quiet mode. Dry clothes while you sleep. Before, clothes hanging everywhere, waiting forever to dry. After, fresh, dry clothes anytime, anywhere, no hassle. Fits up to 20 pieces, perfect for busy parents and travelers. Upgrade laundry days. Try Alome Y6 Plus today.
Number 2.
Tired of cramped spaces and bulky furniture? Struggling to fit a bed and a chair in your apartment? Meet the Noels convertible Futon sofa bed. Transforms easily from chair to recliner to guest bed. Adjust the backrest. Sit up, lounge, or lie flat in seconds. Sturdy steel frame holds up to 330 lums, built for daily use. Soft, breathable linen and high-density foam for real comfort. Pull-out design with wheels. Switch to bed mode instantly. Before, cluttered, uncomfortable, limited options. After, one sleek piece, 3 functions, total flexibility. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or your home office. Upgrade your space. Try Noels Futon sofa bed today.
Number 3.
Tired of laundry racks taking up precious floor space? Bulky drying racks clutter your home and trip you up. Constantly moving racks around just to free up room? Meet the Jolly Bay wall-mounted laundry drying rack. It folds flat against your wall. No more wasted space. Crafted from rust-resistant carbon steel for lasting strength. Holds up to 60 pounds, perfect for heavy loads. Easy setup with included template and accessories, done in minutes. Before, messy floors, crowded rooms. After, neat, organized space. Install it anywhere. Bathroom, laundry, balcony, even outdoors. Choose Jolly Bay for a tidy, sustainable laundry solution. Upgrade your drying game. Click to order now.
Number 4.
Tired of squeaky, flimsy beds ruining your sleep, waking up sore, or hearing creaks every time you move? Meet the Serin Queen Platform Bed Frame. Classic, sleek design makes any bedroom look stunning. Plush velvet headboard, soft, breathable, and super comfortable. Forget box springs. Sturdy wooden slats support up to 800 plomb. No more noisy nights. Eva mute bar keeps things silent. Before, frustration with wobbly, noisy, hard-to-clean beds. After, solid, quiet, stylish comfort, easy to keep spotless. Assembly? Just 30 minutes, all tools included. Upgrade your sleep and style. Choose Serin today.
Number 5.
Tired of struggling with heavy, bulky carts outdoors? Carrying groceries or camping gear shouldn't be a workout. Traditional wagons are heavy, hard to store, and awkward. Meet the Collagen's folding wagon cart, your new hauling solution. It weighs just 11.6 pounds. Kids can pull it easily. Folds down in seconds, fits in any car trunk or closet. Heavy-duty steel frame supports up to 330 whoops. No more multiple trips. All-terrain wheels glide over sand, grass, or gravel effortlessly. Unique tailgate design fits long items like tents or umbrellas. Before, struggling, sweating, and wasting time. After, one trip, easy pull, everything organized. Upgrade your outings. Get the Collagen's wagon cart today.
Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.